I've just come off a panel at the Potato SA conference discussing consumers, how consumers consume potatoes, the different uses of potatoes, and how that then translates back into the growing process. We're very excited about the snacking industry in South Africa and the future. It's had strong growth. We see even stronger growth coming through in the future. So there's going to be a strong need for processing potatoes in SA going forward. Specifically around potato chip snacking, there's very specific requirements for that, and we are delighted to partner with potato farmers to create sustainable long-term sourcing options for our potatoes.
The customer is a key, and everything that you do, you're doing it to end with the customer. So it's important to understand what the customer needs, and also understand that what is it that you're doing, is it actually meeting the demands and the expectation of the customer. In that manner, then you know how whether you're boxing right or where to mend and change ways.
I think it's wonderful that the potato industry is getting together like this to discuss all aspects of the potato value chain. It's wonderful to see, and I think this kind of collaboration as a potato industry is exactly the right thing to do to grow and create a sustainable future for potatoes.